If you need to check your Hostinger balance, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find your available credit inside Hostinger hPanel in just a couple of simple steps. This is useful if you want to see whether you have enough balance for renewals, billing, or future purchases. And the good news is, it only takes a moment once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Hostinger tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger account and make sure you're on the hPanel dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of the page and find your profile icon. This is where Hostinger keeps a lot of your account options, so click that profile icon to open the account navigation menu. From the drop-down list, select Billing. This will take you to your billing settings, where you can manage payment-related details for your account. Now that you're on the billing page, look at the left-hand sidebar menu. Under the billing section, you'll see an option called Payment Methods. Click on Payment Methods to continue. This is the area where Hostinger shows your payment setup, and it's also where you can find your account credit information. Once the Payment Methods page loads, look to the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you should see a section labeled Hostinger Balance. This is the balance overview area, and it displays your available credit balance. If you have funds stored in your Hostinger account, this is where they will appear. You can check this amount anytime to see how much credit is currently available. If you were looking for your Hostinger balance specifically for billing or renewal purposes, this is the exact place to verify it. It's a quick process, but knowing where to go saves you from clicking through random menus and guessing. And if your balance is not showing the way you expected, make sure you're logged into the correct account and that you've selected the right billing profile. That's it. Now you know how to check your Hostinger balance inside hPanel. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.